Namaskar. I am from RSV Group of Schools, class UKG, subject English, topic IG family words. Yes, the topic is IG family words. So let's start with the IG family words. Yes, the word IG. The word egg made from two letters, that is I and G. The sound of I is E and the sound of G is G. Egg family words. Egg. The sound of I is E and the sound of G is G. Egg family words. Egg family words. So let's start with the words of egg family. Egg family words. Yes, in this picture you have seen two kids are here. Okay, two kids are here and what they are doing? Wow, they are planting a tree. They are planting a tree. But before planting a tree, what we have to do on the land? We have to dig the land. We have to dig the land. Yes. Have you seen the boy who is digging? Who is digging on the land to plant a tree? So, dig. The word is dig. D. The sound of letter D. The sound of letter D. And the sound of letter IG is ig. D. Ig. Dig. D. Ig. Dig. D. Ig. Dig. 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 Yes. Now, this is a picture of a fruit. It's a fruit. And its name is fig. 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 F. The sound of letter F. F. The sound of letter F. And the sound of letter IG is ig. Ig. So the word is egg. Fig. Egg. Wig. Egg. Fig. Do you know when this fig will become a dry, it will be more valuable. It will turn into a dry fruit. It will turn into a dry fruit. Yes, it's a fig. Fig. Egg. Fig. Egg. Fig. 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 Yes. So here in this picture you have seen here, but there is no girl. It looks like a girl's hair, but there is no girl. Yes. So it's a not original hair. These are not original hair. These are artificial hair. These are artificial hair. Okay, those who need to make different styles and want to long hair, okay, they used wig. They use wig. Wig. W. 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 The sound of W is W, not V. The sound of V is V. The sound of W is W. 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 Egg. Wig. W. Egg. Wig. W. Egg. Wig. Yes, it comes in different styles and different ways. Okay, it's a wig. Wig. It's an artificial hair. Wig. W. Egg. Wig. W. Egg. Wig. Yes. So, in this picture, there is no picture, only the word is here. So, first we will read the word, then I'll tell you what is the meaning of it. R. R. The sound of letter R is R. R, egg, rig. R, egg, rig. R, egg, rig. Rig. The meaning of rig is a carriage. It's a carriage. As well as you can say tonga. Okay, carriage which pulled by an animal. Okay, carriage which pulled by an animal. Okay, it's a carriage. Rig. R, egg, rig. 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 R. The sound of letter R and the sound of letter IG is egg. So the word is rig. Rig. Yes, in this picture, what you have seen? Two people are here. Two people are here. One is a boy and one is a man. And what you have seen? There is a difference between these two. Yes, the boy is small in height and the man is big in height. Yes, so there is a difference, big and small. So the man is big from the boy. B. The sound of letter B. B, egg, big. B, egg, big. Big, big. B, egg, big. Big, big. Big, big. B, egg, big. Yes, so these are the egg family words. These are the egg family words. So who will tell me what is the difference and what is the similarity in between these words? What is the similarity and what is the difference in between these words? Yes, the difference is the beginning sound of these words are different. The beginning sound of these words are different. And the similarity is the middle sound and the last sound of these words are similar. The middle sound and the last sound of these words are similar. So that's why they are also called the rhyming words. They are also called the rhyming words because in these words, middle sound and the last sounds are similar. Okay, the middle sound and the last sound are similar in these words. That's why they are also called rhyming words because they are rhyming of each other. Okay, they are rhyming of each other. And have you heard when I was speaking these words, I didn't start to read the word with the letter. I didn't start big, big. No, I started these words with the help of phonics like b, egg, big. B, egg, big. So, all of you, please read these words with the help of phonics because phonics will help you to read and make the word easily. This will help you to write the word easily also. Okay? So, try to read the word with the help of phonics. Okay, everyone? So, thank you. Thank you so much.